Has your YouTube channel suddenly disappeared or been taken over by a hacker? Don't panic. In this video, I'll show you the exact official YouTube hack form that actually works. Hey everyone, welcome back to Mendit Tech. If your YouTube channel was hacked, renamed, or you lost access overnight, this video is for you. First of all, never trust emails, WhatsApp messages, or Telegram agents claiming they can recover your channel. The only safe method is the official YouTube hack recovery form. Before submitting the form, secure your Google account, change your Google password, enable two-step verification, check recovery email and phone number. If you skip this step, your channel can get hacked again. Now open your browser and search YouTube channel hack recovery form. Make sure the link ends with support.google.com. In the form, select My YouTube channel was hacked, enter the email linked to your channel, add your channel URL, clearly explain what happened. When you lost access, any suspicious emails or logins if the channel name or videos were changed. Write your issue clearly and honestly. Do not exaggerate or add fake details. Google checks login history, IPs, and activity. After submitting, you'll receive a confirmation email. Usually, YouTube replies within 24 to 72 hours, but sometimes it can take a few days. Never pay anyone claiming guaranteed recovery. Download files sent by email login through unknown links. These are the main reasons channels get hacked. Thousands of creators recover their channels every month using this exact method. If your channel is genuine, you can get it back.